What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on CVX Convex Finance, which has pumped up like crazy in the last 24 hours. As you guys can see here, a huge green candlestick, and yes, it has pumped up near about 55%, currently valued at $3.21. And as you guys can see, the pump is still ongoing, so we're going to be going through what is next for CVX. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to drop back down in value? A lot of people have been saying a lot of different things, saying it may hit the $10 mark, $15 and so on, which I highly doubt, but that's what we're going to be going through in today's video, looking at its prediction over the short term and long term in 2024 and covering buyers and sellers point of view. Is this a crypto worth investing into this year, or should you avoid it? Or if you're on a profit, should you sell it? So we'll be going through that and essentially looking at, is this a crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can see, the crypto is still trading in the red zone, even though it has pumped up quite a bit. However, we can see over the last week it has gone through quite of a drop, guys, hitting red candles, and right now it is slowly starting to recover. And I wouldn't say the majority of the crypto market is on the green side, as it clearly isn't. However, a small amount of cryptocurrencies have started to slowly recover in today, especially Jasmine, as we saw in my previous update. If you haven't seen that, go and watch that video, guys. But at the moment we are seeing CVX pumping up in value. So we are currently looking at the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video. So for now, I'm just going to hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of CVX, which is here in purple at $2.57. However, the crypto is trading at a slightly higher value here in red at $3.13, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. However, because of the difference, or the huge difference between the two values here, it may mean that the crypto is slightly overvalued and may be going through a price correction, but we'll get into that shortly. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, they are looking quite steep, guys. Reason they're looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last 24 hours. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace, which is not realistic at all and very unlikely to take place. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting Convex Finance to have taken a slight dip in value, trading below the $3 mark is where I'm expecting it to dropping down to. Reason being is it's pumped up quite a bit in a space of 24 hours. It is slightly overvalued and likely to go for a price correction, meaning hitting more red candles over the coming hours is what my expectations are. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days exact same here as the previous chart. Both the blue and the orange line are looking a little bit too steep to be realistic. So over the next 7 to 8 days towards the end of the week, I'm expecting Convex Finance to be hovering around $2.70 to 80 cents, or somewhere around this price range here. But in between that time, it is likely to drop down further down to around $2.20, going for a price correction, hitting red candles, and then slowly starting to bounce back up, hitting around $2.70 $2.80 towards the end of the week. So do expect it to be quite volatile, but again, from where it is at the moment, yes, it is going to be an overall drop in value. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks now we're looking quite skeptical. We do have the blue line looking quite bullish, however looking quite steep as well, and the orange line is again looking quite bullish, however is not looking as steep as the blue line. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid to late August 2024, I am expecting Convex Finance to be heading towards the $5 mark is what I'm expecting. So trading a higher value than where it is at the moment. Reason I'm expecting such an increase is because I'm also expecting the crypto market in general to be pumping, with Bitcoin hitting a new all-time high, and this should have a major positive impact on the crypto market, which of course involves Convex Finance as well, and hence why I'm expecting such an increase on the crypto. But again, if there are any major updates that come across that can have a potential impact on the value of the crypto market, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are currently trading in the red zone at the moment, and for us to hit the green zone we need to hit $4 and just about 30 cents, which I mentioned earlier. I'm expecting it to hit $5 in August. So mid July to late July is when I'm expecting it to hit the resistance level here and potentially breaking out in early August. But if you guys want regular updates on Convex Finance, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. So for now, let's hide this and head into the CoinMarketCap website. Here we can see the trading volume has gone up over 1,100% up in the last 24 hours, making it over $64 million in trading, guys, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason for the increase is of course the major increase in trading volume, and it's still ongoing right now. Over the last week itself, it has gone up 30%, and over the month 34%. Even though we did see quite of a dip here earlier on in June, it is performing very well. So can Convex Finance essentially hit the $10 mark by the end of the year? I highly doubt that, but I have seen a lot of comments online saying CVX is likely to hit $10, which personally I do not believe, because it will require a major increase in value. Let me know in the comment section down below how high or how low you guys are expecting this crypto to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.